Hey, what's up guys? This is Ryan Sims, and today we are in the Buff studio to photograph some cosplayers for the upcoming Doctor Strange and Multiverse of Madness movie. So, should be a lot of fun. We have America Chavez and the Scarlet Witch right over here. So it should be a lot of fun, and we're about to get right into the whole lighting setup, and yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be great. So we have a 3-light setup. All 3 lights are Link 800 watt second flash units. We've got this nice big umbrella with the white diffusion fabric for our main light. And then right here we got our 2 rim lights with these nice big strip boxes. So it's gonna have a nice soft lighting, soft shadows. And so we got these rim lights kind of cut out our subject from the background. Nice main light here. So it's gonna be really dramatic, really cool. Do another test shot, check and make sure everything's good. Oh dang, we're gonna be rocking and rolling in no time. All right, let's. I'm gonna feather this out just a tad bit so it's not as close to the background. Sweet. All right, so here is what I'm thinking. Now I think I'm gonna borrow Kyle and Jenny to play with the cape and everything. So hold it on either side and just kind of like whoo, wave the cape a little bit, give it some, yeah, make those noises. So today I brought a wind machine with me to create some really awesome like hair blowing effects. So this should add a lot of cool drama to the images.
Oh yeah, we've got promising careers in cape waving.
Yeah.
Good job, everyone.
I'm just gonna let you do your thing, so we're just gonna have fun with it for a little bit. Here we go, and go for it. Oh yeah, that's super cool. Nice! Random expressions, like super angry and just like fury. Cool. I think we got plenty.
Awesome.
Sweet, thank you so much. I think I can focus on you now. You got it, just like that. But bring it in just a little bit tighter, just a little bit. That way it's kind of like boom, like this. There you go. And just stay like that for just a second because I'm gonna come in closer. Let me get the walking ones. I'm gonna take like rapid fire ones and just see how it works. Ready, and go. Let me get all the emotions, all the craziness real quick. Because I've got a concept with all the shattered mirrors and stuff like that. What is it like where they're doing, you know, the...
Oh, the Rosie the Riveter.
Okay, yeah. This is so you, by the way, too. Yeah, you're just kind of looking off in this direction, just kind of like concerned, like, whoa, what happened? So after we wrapped at the studio, I started working on the composites and creating these realities, and it was super, super fun. A lot of intricate detail went into a lot of these composites. It kind of pushed my brain a little bit further than it's usually willing to go, just because we had to deal with a lot of complexity with all of these shattered mirrors and reflections. So if you want a more detailed tutorial about how I composite, please go and check out gumroad.com/RyanSimsPhotography. There you're going to find my digital workshop that explains from beginning to end, or from raw to real, how I do what I do. You're going to find tutorials, you're going to find stock images, Photoshop templates, and more. And I do plan to update that regularly. If you like my work, be sure to follow me on Instagram and YouTube and all the other socials. It's at Ryan Sims Photography. And of course, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.